I see you again, guys, with me, Mr. Bean. On this occasion, I would like to discuss about preposition of time, especially at, and then on and in. At, on, in. I know some of you, you're still confused with the use of at, on, in, especially for preposition of time. So let's start with my PPT. I would like to open it for you first. Okay, start from this title, Preposition of Time, at, on, in. So guys, actually, the way you use the principle of using at, on, in is just like a triangle. On the top is the most specific one. It is at. At is the most specific one. It refers to very specific time. For example, at 9:30. At 9:30, very specific time. At Saturday, August 19, 2021. Saturday, August 19, 2021. So it refers to a very specific time. Second, after at, we have on. On is more general or less specific. For example, on Monday, we know that Monday we have 24 hours. So it is not specific. On Monday, on Tuesday, whatever the day, it is less specific. Okay, on and then in, it is the most general one. For example, in 1940, 1940 is 12 months and 360 days. So which one? It is not precisely refers to the time. So at, very specific, and then on, more general, in, the most general. Okay. And then slide 3. Okay, you can see here at, on, in. At is more specific, and then on, less specific or more general, and then in, the less specific one or the most general one. The example, at hour, at 9:30, very specific, or at Lebaran day, very specific. And then we have on Monday, on Tuesday, etc. And then date, on August 3rd, 2021. We use on because on that day, August 3rd, 2021, it is not precisely specific on that time, which time or what time. Okay. But if we mention the time, for example, at 9:30, then it is specific. We can also use on for occasion, on my birthday, on Lebaran day. This is a special one. We can use at Lebaran day for the precisely that day, the celebration of Lebaran. But once you say it on Lebaran day, on means approximately. So it is not exactly on that Lebaran day celebration. On Christmas day, it doesn't mean on 25th, December 25th. You can say on Christmas day, but actually 5 days after the Christmas. Okay, so it is not specific. Then we have in. In is very general. In the morning. Okay. Which morning? Which day of the morning? What time in the morning? So it is not clear. So that's why we use in. Something general in the morning. In the summer. In 1940. In the 1940s, etc. We have some examples here. I visited my grandma at the Lebaran day. It refers to exactly at those days of celebration. Usually we have 2 days of celebration at the Lebaran day. But once you said, I visited my grandma on the Lebaran day means more or less on that day. It could be 1 week after Lebaran, 1 week after celebration, 2 weeks after celebration, 2 weeks before celebration. So on means more general, more spare time that you can refer to. Next, we have the exercise. Number one, my sister moved to Bandung, blah, 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 2010. What's your answer? At, on, in? Yes, correct. In 20,000, because it is the year. It is very general. In 2010. 2010, I mean. Number two, let us meet, blah, 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 2 o'clock today. What's your answer? Yes, at 2 o'clock today. Number three, I would like to see my brother, blah, 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 Monday if I had time. What's your answer? Exactly. On Monday. Number four, blah, 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 1945, Indonesia proclaimed our Independence Day in Jakarta. The answer is in. Yes, correct. Number five, blah, 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 that time I was confused with your words, but now I understand your reasons behind blah, 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 that time. What's your answer? Yeah, at. Correct. At that time. Because that time means precisely that time. The time when you said something. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this video and hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.